Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up vibrations on your POCO M3. We will need to go to the settings, here sound and vibrations, and we have a couple options. We can, if you want phone to vibrate while the phone is ringing, check it. If we want to have vibrations when phone is in a silent mode, we can choose on or off. We can here choose the phone to vibrate when we tap the screen. There are a couple modes and it's done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.